In this video, we are going to study sample question paper of class 10 for the exam 2024-25 Mathematics Standard. We are going to discuss only section B, question number 21 to 25, very short answer type questions carrying 2 marks each. Hello friends, welcome to channel Number Collage. This channel is dedicated to videos on a wide range of mathematical concepts and problems related to them, ranging from high school math to engineering math. Effort has been made to explain the concepts through basic mathematical ideas in a simple English. Hope you will like my effort. Thank you. This is section B, which consists of 5 questions of 2 marks each, that means total 10 marks if solved correctly. For finding HCF and LCM of 480 and 720, we first find out prime factors of 480 and 720. Prime factors of 480, prime factors of 720, so 480 equals 2 raised to 5 into 3 into 5. 720 is 2 raised to 4 into 3 squared into 5. HCF of 480 and 720 will be product of lower powers of common factors, that is product of 2 raised to 4, 3 raised to 1 and 5 raised to 1. That will be 240. LCM of 480 and 720 will be product of highest powers of common factors, 2 raised to 5, 3 squared and 5 raised to 1. That will be 1440. First, we will find HCF of 85 and 238. Prime factors of 85 and prime factors of 238. So HCF of 85 and 238 is product of lowest powers of common factors, that is only 17. Now this HCF is given to be 85m minus 238. So we write 85m minus 238 equals 17. 85m is 255. So value of m is 3. In sub question A, keywords are 2 dice are rolled. We have to find the probability that the product of numbers is odd. Product of 2 odd numbers is odd. So we have to choose only the odd numbers 7, 9 and 11. Favorable outcomes will be 7, 7, 7, 9, 7, 11, etc. and 11, 11, amounting to 9 favorable outcomes. So the probability of product is odd is 9 upon number of elements in sample space 6 into 6, 36, 1 upon 4. The answer. We have to find 3-digit integers whose 100th digit is 8 and units digit is 5. So favorable outcomes will be 805, 815, 825, etc. and 895. Total favorable outcomes n of a amounting to 10. So probability of selecting one such number is favorable outcomes 10 upon total number of outcomes 900, 1 upon 90. Now let us see how to find total number of outcomes. The 3-digit numbers start from 100 and end with 999. If we consider nth term an to be 999, then it will be a plus n minus 1 into d. That will be a, which is 100, plus n minus 1 into d, that is the common difference 1. So this gives this n minus 1 equals this 999 minus this 100, 899. So total number of 3-digit numbers n will be 899 plus this one 900. So this is how we find total number of outcomes 900. Please note only the digits in the tens place 0, 1, 2, etc. have changed. 8 and 5 remaining same everywhere. we have to evaluate this, which is 2. Sin 60 from the triangle is root 3 upon 2 whole square minus tan 30 from this triangle is 1 upon root 3 and square of it upon sec 45 from the triangle root 2 upon 1 and square of it, which is 2 into 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3 upon root 2 square 2, which is 3 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 upon 2, 9 minus 2 upon 6 2s are 12, 7 upon 12, the required value. There will be at most two such points on the x-axis, A and B, which are at a distance of root 41 from the point 8 minus 5. We also must know that y-coordinate of every point on the x-axis is always 0. This one. Let point 8, minus 5 be P. So by distance formula, AP square equals x1 minus 8 whole square plus 0 minus of minus 5 plus 5 whole square, which is given to be square root 41 whole square. X1 square minus 16x1 plus 64 plus 25 equals 41. X1 square minus 16x1 plus 48 equals 0. Factorizing x1 minus 12 into x1 minus 4 equals 0, giving x1 equals 12 and 4. From the figure, therefore, x1 will be 4 and x2 12. So coordinates of point A will be 4, 0 and that of B 12, 0, which are the required points on the x-axis. By distance formula, AB is square root 3 plus 5 whole square plus 0 minus 6 whole square, 64 plus 36, square root of 100, which is 10. BC is square root of 9 minus 3, 6 square plus 8 minus 0, 8 square, 36 plus 64. Square root of 100 is 10, so BC is 10. Finally, AC is square root of 9 plus 5 whole square plus 8 minus 6 whole square, square root of 14 square 196 plus 2 square 4, square root of 200. AC is 10 root 2. Since two sides AB and BC are each 10, these points are vertices of an isosceles triangle. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Number Collage. Thank you.